Sabudana Kichdi is made of tapioca pearls or sago pearls, and these are made by extracting the starch. The sago pearl is made from the central stem of a palm, and tapioca pearl is made from the tapioca root or cassava. This here is a tapioca root. The skin is first removed, then washed. The root is then crushed and the starch is extracted. The starch is then washed to remove toxins. It is then dried and heated to form these beautiful pearls. Using tapioca pearls, I'll show you a very simple recipe that can be made with very few ingredients. This is great for breakfast. It is gluten-free and rich in carbohydrates, leaving you satiated. The addition of peanuts contribute to the fat and protein and making this a very healthy dish.